Senior leg cramp relief. Top 3 superfoods to stop leg cramps instantly. Are you waking up in the middle of the night with a sharp, searing pain shooting through your calf? Does that sudden, agonizing cramp grip your legs so tightly that you have to leap out of bed, desperately trying to stretch it out? If that sounds all too familiar, you are definitely not alone. Leg cramps, particularly those that strike in the dead of night, are a surprisingly common and often frustrating experience for many of us as we journey through our senior years. It can disrupt your sleep, leave your muscles sore the next day, and even make you feel anxious about when the next one might strike. But what if I were to tell you that the key to finding significant relief and even stopping those cramps almost instantly might lie right in your kitchen? Yes, you heard that correctly. Simple, readily available, and delicious foods could be your most powerful allies in the fight against leg cramps. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the SPRN Senior Pain Relief Network. It's wonderful to have you here today. I'm so glad you've joined us as we talk about something that affects so many of us. Here on this channel, we focus on providing helpful information for senior health and well-being. Today, we are embarking on a deep dive into the top 3 superfoods that have the potential to become your secret weapon, your go-to solution for banishing those persistent and painful leg cramps. Now, these aren't just some old wives' tales or unproven home remedies. We are talking about real, scientifically backed advice, rooted in the power of essential nutrients that your body absolutely needs for proper muscle function. So, settle in, grab a cup of tea, and let's get started on this journey to smoother nights and say goodbye, once and for all, to those unwelcome nighttime leg jolts. Our first incredible superfood hero, the one we're going to shine a spotlight on, is the often underappreciated yet mighty banana. Now, most of you probably already know that bananas are a good source of potassium. It's a well-established fact. But do you truly understand just how absolutely crucial potassium is for the proper functioning of your muscles and, therefore, for preventing those dreaded leg cramps? Potassium is what we call an electrolyte, which is essentially a mineral that carries an electrical charge when dissolved in your body fluids, such as blood. These electrolytes play a vital role in a multitude of bodily functions, and potassium is particularly important for nerve signaling. Think of your nerves as the electrical wiring of your body, sending messages back and forth. Potassium is essential for those nerve signals that tell your muscles when to contract and, equally importantly, when to relax. When your potassium levels dip too low, these critical nerve signals can become disrupted, leading to misfires and ultimately sudden, involuntary, and often excruciating muscle contractions. The very definition of a leg cramp. One medium-sized banana boasts around 422 milligrams of potassium, which is a significant contribution towards your daily needs. That's not just a small top-up, it's a substantial boost that can really make a difference. But here's a fascinating and lesser-known fact. Bananas are not just a one-trick pony when it comes to cramp relief. They also contain a notable amount of magnesium, another key mineral that plays a vital role in muscle relaxation, helping to counteract the contracting effects of calcium. And believe it or not, bananas even offer a small but helpful dose of calcium themselves. So you see, the humble banana is actually a triple threat, working on multiple fronts to help keep those leg cramps at bay. Now, are there any individuals who might need to exercise a little caution when it comes to banana consumption? Generally speaking, bananas are a very safe and healthy food for most people. However, if you have pre-existing kidney issues or are currently taking certain types of medications, particularly those that can affect your potassium levels, it's always a wise decision to have a quick chat with your doctor or a registered dietitian. They can provide personalized advice based on your specific health situation. For the vast majority of us, though, bananas are not only safe, but also incredibly easy and convenient to incorporate into our daily dietary routine. So how can you effortlessly enjoy more of these potassium-packed powerhouses? Well, the simplest way, of course, is to just peel and eat a ripe banana as a quick and nutritious snack. It's nature's perfectly packaged energy bar. You can also get creative and slice them onto your morning cereal or into a warm bowl of oatmeal for added sweetness and nutrients. For a refreshing treat, blend them into a delicious and creamy smoothie, perhaps with some of those leafy greens we'll be talking about later, for a fantastic post-walk or workout recovery drink. And if you're feeling a bit more adventurous, you can even bake mashed bananas into healthy and moist muffins or bread. I vividly remember my dear neighbor Margaret, who was in her late 70s and used to suffer terribly from those disruptive nighttime leg cramps. She would often tell me how they would jolt her awake, leaving her in pain and struggling to fall back asleep. She had tried various over-the-counter remedies and even some prescribed medications, but with limited and inconsistent success. Then during a routine checkup, her doctor suggested that she might benefit from increasing her dietary potassium intake. Margaret, being a wonderful and diligent lady, took this advice to heart and started making a conscious effort to have at least one banana every single day. She told me that within just a week, she noticed a significant difference. Her nighttime leg cramps became much less frequent, and when they did occur, they were noticeably less severe and didn't last as long. It made a real and tangible difference in her quality of sleep and her overall well-being. It's a testament to the simple power of good nutrition. All right, having explored the wonders of bananas, let's now shift our focus to our second incredible superfood that plays a crucial role in keeping those leg cramps at bay: leafy green vegetables. I'm talking about vibrant and nutrient-dense options like spinach, kale, collard greens, and Swiss chard, the unsung heroes of a healthy diet. These leafy powerhouses are absolutely packed with magnesium, a mineral that many people, especially older adults, may not be getting enough of. Magnesium is truly vital for proper muscle relaxation. Think of it as the natural counterbalance to calcium in your muscles. While calcium is essential for triggering muscle contractions, magnesium helps to block calcium's action, allowing your muscles to relax properly after they have contracted. Without an adequate supply of magnesium, this delicate balance can be disrupted, and your muscles can become overexcited, twitchy, and much more prone to those sudden and painful cramps. But the benefits of leafy greens don't stop at magnesium. They are also excellent sources of calcium, which, as we just mentioned, is another key player in overall muscle function. And here's another fascinating and perhaps lesser-known tidbit. The magnesium present in leafy greens actually plays a crucial role in helping your body absorb and utilize calcium more effectively. It's a beautiful example of a synergistic relationship between two essential nutrients working together to support your muscle health. Now, are there any potential downsides or reasons to be cautious when it comes to incorporating more leafy greens into your diet? For the vast majority of people, the answer is a resounding no. Leafy greens are incredibly healthy and beneficial. However, if you are currently taking blood-thinning medications, such as warfarin, you do need to be mindful of your vitamin K intake, as some dark leafy greens are naturally high in this vitamin. It's important to maintain a consistent level of vitamin K intake to ensure your medication works effectively. As always, if you have any pre-existing health conditions or are taking medications, it's best to have a quick conversation with your doctor or a registered dietitian to ensure you're incorporating them safely and appropriately. Getting more of these wonderful leafy greens into your daily diet's actually much easier and more delicious than you might initially think. Start by adding a generous handful of fresh spinach to your morning scrambled eggs or omelet. It wilts down beautifully and adds a boost of nutrients without significantly altering the taste. You can also sauté some chopped kale or collard greens with a little bit of garlic and olive oil for a simple and flavorful side dish that pairs well with almost any meal. Toss a variety of baby greens into your salads to add color, texture, and a wealth of vitamins and minerals. Or, for a truly convenient and nutrient-packed option, blend a handful of your favorite leafy greens into your daily smoothies. You might be surprised at how mild they taste when combined with fruits and other ingredients. I have a good friend named John who is very active and enjoys long walks in his retirement. He used to frequently complain about getting terrible leg cramps, especially after his more strenuous walks. He started making a conscious effort to incorporate more leafy greens into his diet, primarily by making himself a daily green smoothie that included spinach and often a banana. He told me that not only did he notice a significant improvement in his overall energy levels, but his leg cramps also decreased dramatically in both frequency and severity. He often jokes that it was like his muscles finally learned how to properly relax and stop seizing up on him. Now, before we move on to our third and final superfood that can be a game changer for leg cramp relief, I wanted to take a quick moment. If you're finding this information helpful and you want to stay up to date on more tips for managing pain and improving your well-being as a senior, please consider subscribing to the SPRN Senior Pain Relief Network. We release new videos regularly packed with practical advice. Just click that subscribe button below. And if you've experienced leg cramps and have found other natural remedies that have worked for you, please share them in the comments section. Your insights could be incredibly helpful to others in our community. Okay, let's now unveil our third and final superfood that can be a real asset in your quest for instant leg cramp relief: the wonderful world of nuts and seeds. I'm talking about options like almonds, pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas, chia seeds, and sunflower seeds. These seemingly small snacks are actually nutritional powerhouses. They are particularly fantastic sources of that all-important mineral we've been discussing, magnesium. As we've already thoroughly established, magnesium plays a crucial role in helping your muscles relax and preventing those involuntary contractions that lead to cramps. Just a small handful of almonds or pumpkin seeds can provide a significant percentage of your daily recommended intake of magnesium, making them a convenient and effective way to boost your levels. But the nutritional benefits of nuts and seeds don't stop there. Many varieties also contain valuable amounts of calcium and even some potassium, depending on the specific type. And here's another interesting and perhaps less commonly known fact. Some nuts and seeds, such as almonds, are also good sources of vitamin E, an antioxidant that can help to improve circulation and further support overall muscle health and function. Are there any reasons why someone might need to be a little cautious when incorporating more nuts and seeds into their diet? One thing to keep in mind is that nuts and seeds are relatively calorie-dense due to their healthy fat content. So while they are incredibly nutritious, moderation is key, especially if you are currently watching your weight or trying to manage your calorie intake. Also, it goes without saying that if you have any known nut allergies or seed allergies, you should absolutely avoid those specific types. Otherwise, for most people, nuts and seeds are a healthy, convenient, and delicious snack option that can contribute significantly to preventing leg cramps. Incorporating more nuts and seeds into your daily diet is surprisingly easy and can be quite delicious. Keep a small bag or container of almonds, walnuts, or a mixed nut blend handy for a quick and satisfying snack between meals. Sprinkle chia seeds or flax seeds on top of your morning yogurt, oatmeal, or even your salads for an added boost of magnesium and fiber. Add sunflower seeds or pumpkin seeds to your salads for a bit of crunch and extra nutrients. Or consider using natural nut butters like almond butter or peanut butter in moderation on your whole wheat toast or with apple slices. I recall my lovely Aunt Susan, who is now in her early 80s, used to wake up almost every single night with quite severe leg cramps. She tried various things, but nothing seemed to provide consistent relief. After reading an article about the benefits of magnesium, she decided to try incorporating a small handful of almonds into her evening routine. She started carrying a small container of almonds with her and would make sure to have a small handful a couple of hours before bedtime. She was so pleased to tell me that she noticed a significant reduction in both the frequency and the intensity of her nighttime leg cramps. She loves that it's such a simple, natural, and tasty solution that has made a real difference in her sleep and overall comfort. So there you have it, our top 3 incredible superfoods that can be your allies in the battle against leg cramps, potentially helping you find relief almost instantly over time with consistent consumption. We've explored the potassium power of bananas, the magnesium magic of leafy green vegetables, and the magnesium and other beneficial nutrients found in nuts and seeds. Remember, while these foods can offer significant relief, consistency is absolutely key. Try consciously incorporating these superfoods into your daily dietary habits and observe the positive difference they can make in reducing the frequency and severity of your leg cramps. Now for a crucial bonus tip. Please do not underestimate the vital power of proper hydration and maintaining a good balance of electrolytes in your body. Dehydration is a very common trigger for muscle cramps, including those pesky leg cramps that strike at night. Make a conscious effort to ensure you are drinking an adequate amount of water throughout the entire day. And consider incorporating electrolyte-rich beverages, especially after any physical activity or on particularly hot days when you tend to sweat more. Electrolytes such as sodium, potassium, and magnesium work together to help maintain proper fluid balance within your body and are essential for supporting healthy muscle function. Leg cramps really don't have to be an inevitable and accepted part of the aging process. By making these simple yet powerful dietary adjustments and focusing on ensuring you're getting enough of these key nutrients, you can absolutely find significant relief, enjoy more restful and uninterrupted nights of sleep, and improve your overall quality of life. Thank you so much for watching this video on the SPRN Senior Pain Relief Network. We hope you found the information valuable and easy to apply. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe for more practical tips and natural solutions designed specifically to help seniors manage pain and stay active. In our next video, we'll dive even deeper into the importance of hydration and explore key electrolytes that play a major role in preventing leg cramps and supporting muscle health. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. Thanks again for tuning in. Stay healthy, stay active, and take good care of yourself. We'll see you in the next video.